a great choice today with the 2014 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.